Today topic is orthocenter of a triangle. Orthocenter of a triangle is nothing but the definition of orthocenter is the point of intersection of altitudes of a triangle is called the orthocenter. Point of intersection of altitudes is called a orthocenter. Before going to define orthocenter, first what is altitude in a triangle? Suppose this is one triangle. Triangle ABC, this ABC. This altitude is nothing but the perpendicular line from vertex to the opposite side. Perpendicular line from vertex to the opposite side. See, this is the perpendicular line from vertex A to opposite side. Opposite to vertex A is side BC. This is called a altitude through vertex A. There exist three altitudes in a triangle. From vertex A, one altitude. From vertex B, second altitude. From vertex C, third altitude. Here, next to altitude. From vertex to B. This is the perpendicular line from vertex B to the opposite side. Here, similarly, we will get the one more altitude from this C vertex. Here, it is perpendicular. These are the three altitudes. The point of intersection of these altitudes is called the orthocenter. This is the orthocenter, which is denoted by capital H. Orthocenter, it is denoted by capital H. Orthocenter is the point of intersection of altitudes in a triangle is called the orthocenter. Here, this is the altitude through vertex A, altitude through vertex B. This is the altitude through vertex C. Point of intersection of altitudes is called the orthocenter. And you see one example. Find the orthocenter. Find the orthocenter of a triangle. Of a triangle with vertices 5, -2 and -1, 2, 1, 4. Find the orthocenter of a triangle with vertices 5, -2, 5, -2, -1, 2, 1, 4. For finding orthocenter, we have to find any two altitudes. Any two altitudes from vertex A, from vertex B, or from vertex A and from vertex C. We have to find the any two altitudes in a triangle. Your solution, here let A 5, -2, B value is equal to -1, 2, C is equal to 1, 4. Let us find altitude equation through vertex A. First, let us find the altitude equation through vertex A. For that, we need slope of BC. If we know the slope of BC, we can take the perpendicular slope of BC, that is the slope of this altitude. Here, let AD be the altitude through vertex A. Let AD be the altitude through vertex A. For that, find the slope of BC. Here, slope of BC is equal to slope of BC. This BC line slope. Formula of slope is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Slope of BC. y2 minus y1, that is 4 minus 2 by x2 minus x1. 1 minus of minus 1, that is plus 1. 4 minus 2, 2. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 by 2 is equal to 1. Here, this is the slope of BC. Now, slope of AD is equal to -1 because AD is perpendicular to BC. AD is perpendicular to BC. The product of two slopes is equal to -1. minus 1 by 1, that is equal to -1. Here we got the slope of the AD. Now we know slope of this AD line, and already we have vertex A using slope point form. Here A value 5 comma minus 2 and slope of AD n is equal to minus 1 using slope point form. Using slope point form, that is y minus y1 by y minus y1 into m into x2 minus x1. Using slope point form, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Here this is x1 y1 m value. Y minus y1 minus of minus 2 is equal to m is equal to minus 1 into x2 minus x1 x minus 5. Here minus of minus 2 plus 2 minus 1 into x minus 1 into minus 5 plus 5. Here right, make it one side, shift RHS to LHS side. Try to write x coefficient as positive, then minus x becomes plus x, x2 plus y. Here LHS side there is 2. If we shift this 5 to left side, that is minus 5. 2 minus 5 is equal to minus 3. This is equation number 1. Equation number 1. Equation of altitude through vertex A. Now find the equation of altitude from vertex B or C. We can use any one, either from vertex B or from vertex C. Here, let us find the vertex from B. Let BE be the altitude through vertex B. Let BE be the altitude through vertex B. Here this BE value. From that first find the slope of AC. Use the perpendicular slope, that is the slope of BE line. We will get slope and vertex B. Again using same formula slope point form, we will get the equation of this BE. Already we have equation of AD. The point of intersection of these two lines is nothing but the orthocenter of the triangle. Let BE here. Slope of AC. Slope of AC. A value is equal to 5 comma minus 2. C value is equal to 1 comma 4. Use these 2 points. A is equal to 5 comma minus 2. C is equal to 1 comma 4. Slope of this AC line is y2 minus y1. 4 minus of minus 2 by 1 minus 5. Slope of AC is 4 minus of minus 2 by 1 minus 5 is equal to 6 by minus into minus plus 4 plus 2 6. 1 minus 5 is minus 4. Use 2 table. 2 3 2 2 is equal to minus 3 by 2. This is the slope of AC line. With the help of this slope of AC, we can find the slope of BC. Here, slope of BE is equal to minus 1 by minus 3 by 2, because AC is perpendicular to BE. This altitude through vertex B is perpendicular to the opposite side, that is side AC. Here AC is perpendicular to BE. If slope of any line is equal to m, then the perpendicular to the line slope is minus 1 by m. Minus 1 by m. Here n is equal to minus 3 by 2. Minus 1 by minus 3 by 2. Minus 1 into reciprocal of this denominator, that is minus 2 by 3. Here minus into minus plus is equal to 2 by 3. Now slope of BE is equal to 2 by 3. Next, using slope point form, here B value from given data B is equal to minus 1 comma 2. Slope of BE is equal to 2 by 3. Using slope point form, let us find the equation of BE, that is y minus y1 is x1 y1, y minus y1 is x1 and y1 is equal to m into 2 by 3 into x2 minus x1 minus half minus 1 is plus 1. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x2 minus half minus 1 is plus 1. Now cross multiplication is 3 into y minus 2 is equal to 2 into x plus 1. 3y 3 into minus 2 minus 6 2 into x 2x 2 into plus 1 2. Shift this LHS term to RHS side. 2x plus 2 here 2x this plus 3y becomes minus 3y and minus 6 becomes plus 6. Already we have plus 2 on RHS side. 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. Say it is equation number 2. Equation number 2. Now solving these two equations will get the after center of the required given triangle. On solving these two equations, here solve equation number 1 and 2. Equation number 1 and 2. Equation number 1 is x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. Second equation is 2x minus 3y plus 8 is equal to 0. Solving these two equations 1 and 2. Here there are different methods are there. Substitution method or elimination method, or here I am using rule of cross multiplication. Here by rule of cross multiplication. Here take the coefficients from this equation. First to start with y coefficient. Y coefficient. Suppose if it is ax plus by plus c form. Here write the terms b, c, a, b. First to start with y coefficient in first equation. Here coefficient of y is 1. Next to write the constant term that is minus 3. Write the x coefficient 1. Again repeat y coefficient 1. b, c, a, b. Next to write the same coefficient from the second equation. Here second equation y coefficient is minus 3. Constant is 8, x coefficient is 2, again y coefficient is minus 3. Here, write x value, y value and 1. Here first variable x, write the second variable y and constant terms. Here x to y is the determinant of these four elements. 1 into 8, 8 minus 3 into minus 3, 9 and minus AD minus BC. Cross multiplication AD minus BC 1 into 8 minus 3 into minus 3 minus 9. Y by minus 3 into 2 minus 6 minus 8 into 1 8 is equal to 1 by minus 3 minus 2. Yes. Equate these two values. X by minus 1 is equal to y by minus 14, 8 minus 9 minus 1, minus 6 minus 8 minus 14, 1 by minus 5. 1 by minus 5. Here, equate first to last constant and second variable with last constant. X2 by minus 1 is equal to minus 1 by 5. We'll get x is equal to 1 by 5. X2 by minus 1 is equal to 1 by minus 5. X is equal to 1 by 5. Y by minus 14. Y by minus 14 is equal to 1 by minus 5. Here minus minus gets cancelled. Y is equal to 14 by 5. Therefore, orthocenter h is equal to x comma y. X value is equal to 1 by 5. Y value is equal to 14 by 5. Orthocenter of the triangle is 1 by 5 comma 14 by 5. This is the answer for the given question. Find the orthocenter of the given triangle. First to find any two altitudes, either from vertex a comma b or b comma c or c comma a. After getting two equations, solve the two equations by using any one method, rule of cross multiplication or substitution method or elimination method. You will get x comma y values. That is the point of intersection of two lines. That is nothing but the opposite center of the triangle.